that's what they run here. See them argue over mother, them a share. See them a worry about when next girl a wear. And I see say they need to do them here. The kind of life is there. Go side there. See now when you look back me here. Mother the least of my problem. So me left eat every of them. Me too cute for mix up and blend it. So tell her girl she can go with her argument.
Hi everyone. I hope you liked a little introduction. This is my friend Kathi-Ann. And today we'll be doing a Twitter trending topic called Lies Mental. So we couldn't remember all the lies that mental, because mental a whole lot of lies. So we had to write them down on a piece of paper. So please don't mind that. And before we start, I just want to let you know that this is what Jamaican people use to call people. This is a Jamaican phone. It is a Nokia phone. And you have a camera on the back, right? People like me now can't afford them torch up phone like she can afford. So I have to just make do with this. Alright. Okay, some lies that men tell will include, I don't want to hurt you. Like, seriously, what do you mean you don't want to hurt me? Yep.
The second one is, sorry I fell asleep last night. Right there, that's just bullshit. I'm concerned.
Because you might as well just say, okay, I don't want to talk to you right now, I'm tired. Exactly. Don't say, oh, I fell asleep.
That's just rude.
The third one is, you're the only girl that I talk to. Really? You think I'm an idiot? Am I really going to think that that's true? But come on, don't lie like that. Okay.
The next one is, I'm different.
You're different? How different could you be? Okay, all guys have some similar qualities.
Yes, similar.
You cannot be different. The next lie that men tell is that, for instance, they're always around this other girl when you see him, and he's like, oh, we're just friends.
Best friends, to be exact. The other one is, trust me.
Me not trust me. No, maybe at the beginning of the relationship, you might trust him if you've known him for a while. But after a while, and you see him do some shitty stuff, trusting him is going to be really hard. Unless you're Kathi-Ann and her boyfriend, then I'm sure she trusts him, right?
Seriously? I didn't want to come in the picture.
There he is. That's my best friend and her boyfriend.
Oh, I'm gonna go.
Next one. No, I just said that here. Oh,
exactly.
The other one is, you're all I think about. No. Me sure say you hardly think about me. You only think about me when you want to text me, or when I text you, or when you want something from me, like maybe some pum pum. But it's true. That's the only time that you think about me. If you're not thinking about food, or cartoons, or video games, or some other girl you're thinking about, oh please, don't tell a lie like that.
So, you have cases where some girl is constantly writing on your boyfriend and then you ask him about it, and he's like, oh, she's just my cousin. Bullshit.
Cousin? Bullshit. No, especially if the girl is writing hearts and
exactly.
I miss you.
Like, oh my god, I can't wait to see you.
Yes. Don't lie like that. Here, boys, don't do it. Just don't do it. No, I don't want it. The last one is, I love you. Gosh. You know what? Don't even say I love you. Show that you love me.
Exactly.
If you show it, then I'll believe you. But
action speaks louder than words.
Yeah. And talk is cheap. Okay?
So sometimes I say this to get kum too. Yeah. Hey, you're some girl and just, oh my god, you're so paranoid.
Oh wait, guess when he says I love you? When the girl opened up her legs.
Yes. So you're there having sex and she was like, I love you. And he was like, I love you too.
He must have done it.
He's in the moment, so of course I'm gonna say it back, but oh my god. If you don't love her, just don't say it.
some lies that men tend to tell girls who they're with or who they've been talking to for a while or who they might like. So if a guy tells you that, think twice about it. Okay, girls?
And not all guys are the same here.
So that's it.